Revolutionary Yoga Plus Resistance Routine, Must See. Must see total body band workout. The very best of yoga and resistance training has been harnessed into a super short and incredibly enjoyable 15-minute routine. I'm talking about a revolutionary fitness routine for women that will save you a ton of time while allowing you to experience a faster metabolism, improved flexibility and posture, long, lean muscle tone and definition, improved health, energy and focus, renewed dedication to your yoga routine, and so much more. Tap here to see the first ever Yoga Plus Resistance Routine. 2. Subject. Avoid high-impact exercises, here's why. Stop doing high-impact exercises. Body copy. The main problem with most resistance training exercises is that they're high impact and aren't even slightly designed for a woman's body. This is what leads to muscle tightness, soreness, bulkiness, along with a negative impact on our flexibility and even posture. I say forget dealing with pain, strain and discomfort and living in recovery mode all of the time just to get the body shaping results we're after. At the link below you'll see a low-impact resistance routine that will deliver you amazing body sculpting results without the nasty side effects. I think you're going to love this smiley face. Try this revolutionary approach to female fitness.